All right, guys, welcome back to another video of Shaman J. Today we're looking at cases from Poetic. Now, this is the Guardian series, and you can get it with the Pixel Snap or without. And so I have both cases here. I wanted to try them on and show you just the different ones here, and then I'll go over the cases. But it comes in, you also can get it frameless. I'm using the frameless since I have tempered glass on there. I think a lot of companies, for the money that you spend, you would think the companies that charge more than Poetic would give you both. Frameless meaning there's no screen protector in here, like it's literally open. You have both though. They give it to you in the box. They give it to you with the screen protector. So you have the ability to decide whether or not you want to use the screen protector or not. This is the box that it comes in. And in the box, you will find the other front. I mean, this is just great, man. Literally, it's a screen protector on here. So if you don't have a tempered glass, there's people out there that don't buy tempered glass. There's people out there that just buy the cases and they use them how they come, because sometimes tempered glasses could be 30, 40 bucks depending on where you're buying them at. But these cases come with both frameless and framed for tempered glass. So I'll take the cases off and put on the other series that I have here. But this is the Guardian series, and this is both versions that you can get. You can see I have it for both, but I wanted to swap it out and show you. And then also to demonstrate here, Pixel Snap on these, man. It's very, oh, so strong. It is very strong. And even with the heavier duty one, the bigger Pixel 10 Pro XL, it is still extremely strong. So you're going to get the usage out of it if that's what you're looking for. Pixel Snap is definitely a thing, and it's really good. So on the Pixel 10 Pro XL, you can see here, again, I'm using the frameless one. So just don't be alarmed at that, but this is just my tempered glass on the front of here, right here. So get into the phone. You can see here, you've got a different color frame on here, but they do have black as well. So you can see you get lip protection around here. And if the tempered glass, their screen protector was on here, it would be just the same look. It's got all the cutouts and ports and everything on there. So on this side, you got some kind of texture. I'm not going to say grip. I'm going to say texture because it feels really good. And it gives you the grip of not say like a real rugged style, but it's a smooth type of grip. So that's why I say it's a lot texture. It's really nice. It's really good. So with these clear ones, you definitely can show off your device if that's what you want to do. Here's the Moonstone and here's the Indigo. So you can see what they look like. This is just the 10 Pro XL and this is the 10. And this also will fit the 10 Pro as well. So, you know, they have the same body style. But you got camera protection here, and, you know, you're going to have that volume rocker, because these are kind of rugged style cases. But they're really good. They feel good, but they are going to add a little thickness and a little bit of bulk to your device. So volume rocker and power button work really well. Then the port is covered here. Again, the charging port is covered because these cases are for people who you might work in an industry where it's kind of rough, or you just like these styles of cases. So there are people out there. I'm one of them. Now, if I wouldn't, honestly, I wouldn't use this on the 10 Pro XL, but I definitely like it on the 10. I like it on the smaller variant. So I'm using kind of this blue front on here. You know, there's different ones that come in, and this is what they chose to send me. But I appreciate them always sponsoring the channel and sending over cases like this. But again, same case, just without the Pixel Snap feature on here. But here it is for this one. So you can get both in this series here. Just a little bit of branding here. And again, same, built exactly the same. The port is covered and it just looks really, really good. So, you know, volume rocker is still strong on the phones. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in the other series here that they have. So I'm going to take, this is how you take these cases off. There's a little groove right here, and you just put your finger down in there and it peels around the case and it comes off just like that. And so with this one being frameless, you can see here, and like I said, this is kind of like a blue version that they sent over, which is really cool. But this is the case off of the phone. And I'm going to take it off of the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Again, that same groove down here. You see it right there. On that blue case I just took off, it's kind of harder to see, but the black one, it is not so much. And you just pop it off. And again, these are the frameless versions. I like the frameless because, you know, I use tempered glass, so the frameless work perfect for me. And I've actually been using these cases now for about 72 hours. So I've been kind of testing them out to see if I could use them regularly. And the fact of the matter is, I probably could go ahead and use them if I will only put on the temporal XL. That's the only one in question. They're all great cases, but I would only use it on the smaller version if it was my only case. So I can use it on the temporal XL, but I wouldn't want to use it as my only case because this is a bigger phone, and that's the only reason why. So this is the Revolution series. Again, another heavy duty. I mean, this is just rugged style, and this one has the kickstand in the back here, as you can see here. These are very good. These cases right here, they have a lot more texture, as you can see, because the entire back is covered. So you won't be showing off your phone with this one right here. And you know, remember, all of their cases come with the frameless option. So I'm showing you the frameless option because I have a tempered glass on my device, on both of these devices. So yeah, it just pops in really easy. I wanted to show you what it's like to pop them in there. It's nice and easy. Nothing obstructing anything on here, man. It's totally there. But the difference with this newer case, and let me show you the volume rockers right here. The difference with, yeah, all the lip protection, everything. The difference with these cases now, they give a camera protector on there. I was thrown when I first saw this. I was like, you got to be kidding. They have stepped into the arena of full-on camera protection, and they have. So bear that in mind. You don't even know what the color of this phone is. You don't know what it is. So the kickstand is actually pretty strong here. You can watch movies or anything like that. You can do it on both phones. So the Revolution series has been around for a long time. If you've been following Poetic for some time, you know, this series has been around for a very, very long time. So it isn't a new series, and it's their bread and butter more than likely. You know, some of these cases, you've noticed now some companies are just kind of sticking to it, and they're just going with whatever is going to hold them down, and I don't blame them. So putting these cases on, now this case is a little bit more rugged than the Guardian, but once it's on, again, it feels really good on the phone. And this one feels even better, man, because it's a smaller phone, smaller footprint, and it's just a better feel in hand as far as like the physical feel in hand. So again, kickstand. So, you know, it comes with a kickstand, and then you also have the camera lens protector here. So I think it's cool that now this one is definitely for somebody who's going like full on rugged style case. This person who's going to go one of these, they're going for full protection. So you're probably not going to use frameless if you're getting this, or you're going to use a heavy duty tempered glass like I do, or even one stronger than mine. And you're going to have that on there. So, because you can totally just cover up the entire camera lens. And this isn't a hard mechanism. And it actually snaps in place, as you can see there on top. So, yeah, this is actually, it's really cool. Like, of the two, this is the cool factor one. But I really like the Pixel Snap. Being able to use the Pixel Snap on there feature is really nice. But this one is definitely really cool, man, because it has so much more grip. It's got a really cool design on it, and it's just really nice. This is a very nice looking case. So that is the lineup, you guys. All sizes, everything for the Pixel lineup, it's here. And this is all from Poetic. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Wow, links are in the description if you decide to purchase. And shout out to Poetic for coming through once again. They always do. They always come through. But I appreciate you guys stopping by for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.